Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making something not so healthy. It's going to be a Sidecar cocktail. It's a crafted cocktail, and it was created originally back in World War I. It was created in Paris at the Ritz Carlton, and it's a combination of cognac, an orange liqueur. Today I'm going to be using Grand Marnier and lemon juice, and you can make it a little bit sweeter by putting sugar along the rim, but I'm not going to add any sugar in mine. I might add a little bit more Grand Marnier. The first time I ever had a Sidecar was at Musso and Frank's in Hollywood, and it was excellent. And it was just, it was a good memory all around, and every time we go there, I have to have one. And I've had Sidecars at different locations. We were in Texas. We were at Deep Ellum, which is near Dallas, and I had an excellent Sidecar at a bar just down in Deep Ellum. That was great. I've had one at the Hotel Roosevelt in LA, and that was also great. So I've had it at different places, and it is one of my favorites to try to have when we're out. And so today I'm going to go ahead and make one. It's 2 parts cognac. I have a Remy cognac I'm going to use, and this is an aged cognac, and I'm going to be using Grand Marnier, which is one of my favorites, and I have fresh squeezed lemon juice. So you have 2 parts cognac, 1 part Grand Marnier, and 1 part lemon juice. So let's go ahead and get started. So it's shaken up. It's a drink that's shaken up, and it's you have it neat. And neat means you're not going to have ice in it, and you shake it up with ice, but you don't drink it with ice. So let's go ahead and get started. I have ice already in the shaker. So I'm going to put 2 ounces of cognac. And I have 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, which is really delicious orange liqueur. I might add a little bit more. Here's a splash. And I'm going to have 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Ooh. I'm going to be putting a lemon peel for garnish. I put this in the freezer, so it's already a chilled glass. And I'm going to go ahead and shake it up. I like to shake it up, get it really cold. And then you're going to strain it. This shaker already has a strainer, so. And that's a perfect 1 serving size. All right. As you can see, the color just has that nice, rich, kind of yellowish, kind of brownish color from the cognac. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and cheers. Hope you enjoy a nice crafted cocktail over the weekend. Ooh. It's strong, but it's good.